Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel at Foodie Nigerian recipes. I appreciate goes to each and everyone out there. Thank you so much. So today I will be making us a soup combination. Ingredients: egusi, that is melon seed; ogbono, that is bush mango seed; meat, dry fish, stockfish, crayfish, no, salt, pepper. You can use fresh pepper. You can also use dry pepper. You can choose to combine the both. Then I have red oil, okpei, also onions, and vegetables. There's pumpkin leaves. Procedure: first of all, wash and season the meat with nor, salt and black pepper. Then set on heat and cook for a while. In a bowl, pour the blended egusi. Then add some sliced onions to it and add a little quantity of water. Then turn together and cover. Allow to stay for a while. Then after some minutes, come back and stir, like turn together and mix very well. And stay cover it and set aside. In a pot, add some water. The quantity of water you have to add will depend on the quantity of egusi and ogbono you have at hand. You add the red oil and allow to boil very well. This is to allow the red oil to cook very well and not have any taste in the soup. So after the red oil must have boiled, then go in with your meat, the stockfish, the fresh pepper. Then stir and allow to cook for a while. Next, you add the remaining sliced onions to the pot and go ahead to add your ogbono. Use one hand to add the ogbono while you use the other hand to stir gently. This is to prevent any form of lumps. After adding the whole ogbono, stir gently. Cover and allow to boil for a while. Please note that the soup is to be cooked on low heat. This is to prevent it from getting burnt. Ogbono can burn easily at the bottom of the pot, but when you use low heat for it, it will hardly get burnt. So after turning it very well, please cover and allow to boil for a while. Then go ahead and add the egusi bit by bit. Then add the also okpei, the crayfish and the dried fish. Please note that I am adding the dried fish at this point so as to prevent it from breaking. After adding the above, please go ahead and stir gently and allow to boil for a while. Afterwards, add your vegetables and stir. Then turn off the heat. And here we have our delicious egusi and ogbono soup. The combination of egusi and ogbono provides a nutrient-dense meal that supports not only digestive health but also the immune function and the overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this recipe, and please send it to like, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.